Excellency, dear brother, President Mnangagwa, Your Excellency, heads of state and government, and former heads of state.
Hello. Comrade, can we allow His Excellency to deliver his speech? Comrade, Pamsoroi, isusu semaZimbabwe atigaro, ngatinyararei, maZimbabwe ngatinyararei. Iti kune munhu wakagara naye imbonyarara kuti ngatinyararei. Thank you very much. Ningabantu abahle, kasithuleni. Ngatinyararei, ngatimbonyarara itimboteerera kuno.
On behalf of the people of South Africa, I'd like to express my profound condolences to the Mugabe family, to ZANU-PF, and to the people of Zimbabwe on the passing of the founding father of Zimbabwe, President Robert Gabriel Mugabe.